Hi, my name is George Dagnino. I'm the editor of the Peter Dac portfolio. In 2023, I made a video. The title was The Problem with Linear Thinking. Some people think, let's say recession, and they keep on doing recession until they see a recession. In the meantime, however, there could be a boom in the economy, and they're still repeating there's going to be a recession. So the problem of linear thinking, at some point, you got to change. And if you saw my two previous videos, one is showing a leading indicator, which is closely connected to our business cycle indicator, computed in two different ways, by the way. And then also I showed another video where I discussed the growth of the money supply, which turned up in 2023, by the way, which is a date that I'm going to refer in this video, turned up in 2023, and it's just pointing to more liquidity. And both of them, both the leading indicator and the money supply, are saying, look, don't hope for anything bad. Really for some time I've been saying that, but things are going to improve. Okay, so now the purpose of these two charts is to show you what is happening right now and what are the trends. So the trends are set by the leading indicator and the money supply. Let's see now how the economy is responding. In this graph here, I show the ISM Purchasing Managers New Orders Index. So the ISM, the Purchasing Managers. So if the line goes up, the green line goes up, it means that more and more purchasing managers are saying that they have higher orders, number of orders. If instead the curve like here goes down, the green line goes down, means fewer and fewer purchasing managers are saying, look, we're having fewer and fewer orders, so things are not going that well. But look what happened here. Beginning a couple of years ago, the purchasing manager had been saying, well, orders have been stabilizing, and now look at what happens the last 2 or 3 months. Orders in manufacturing, by the way, which is the important sector of the economy, have been going up, and the blue line is just a moving average. So the purchasing manager is saying things are improving. Not only that, but they are greater than 50%. So more than 50% are saying, well, much more than 50% are saying the economy, they are doing well and orders are picking up. So what this is saying is saying that it fits the narrative of our leading indicator, saying manufacturing is improving. Now, when manufacturing improves, as I wrote in my book and all my videos on the business cycle, manufacturing, when needs to make more new products, need three things. It needs more people, it needs more money, and it needs more raw materials. So it's bidding up these three areas. And what you see here, this is the CRB index, which is a commodity index. As you can see, it's been turning up like new orders. You see how from here on they start going up. And then this is the yield on the 10-year bonds, and it mirrors exactly the trend of commodity prices. So what is the bottom line of this? Well, the leading indicators are saying the economy, and the money supply data are saying the economy is improving. Now the actual data is saying yes, they were right, because the economy is actually improving. The consequence of that is that there will be upward pressure on commodities and possibly also yields. There is another development though, and this is what the bottom chart is saying, that as the economy strengthens, and I've been saying this in several videos prior to this one, if the economy strengthens, let me step one back. This shows inflation. The red line is the consumer prices, and these two lines here are producer prices of finished goods, and the other one is commodities. And as you can see, the consumer prices have stopped and declining with the recent data, and it's actually going up a little bit. Producer prices, which are much more volatile than consumer prices, coincidentally, they started going up when the money supply started getting better in 2023, and they have been going up. So there is upward pressure on inflation. So what you see, what this chart is saying is, I'm not dramatizing, a boom economy, but what the leading indicators, again, money supply and the leading indicator are saying the economy will improve. This now data is saying the economy here is actually improving. The result of that improvement is going to be commodities yields. Definitely, they're not going to decline. And the other result is provided here, that inflation is slowly going up, not going down, especially when the purchasing managers are rising. At Peter Dagg's Business Cycle Academy at www.patreon.com/Peter Dagg, we have 3 levels of membership. Videos like this one, videos and financial updates, and membership number 3 has the Peter Dagg portfolio, which is a 22 pages report, videos, model portfolios, and trading strategies, and market updates. Thank you very much for following this video, and if you want to keep updated on the future videos and all the previous one to check our performance, please do not hesitate to go to www.patreon.com/Peter Dagg for full-length videos and our exclusive insights. Again, thank you very much for reviewing this video, and I hope to see you really, really soon. So long. Goodbye.